In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes in Canva for free, with a focus on beginners like you. Now, QR codes are those little pixelated squares that can store URLs, images, or text. They're incredibly useful for promoting your digital presence or simply making information more accessible. So, let's get started on how you can craft these useful tools using Canva. First, you'll want to navigate to the Canva website. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is straightforward and free. For returning users, just log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you're greeted with your customized Canva dashboard. This is the central hub where all your design magic happens. Right in the middle of the Canva dashboard, you'll find the search bar. This is your starting point for finding a variety of design templates. In this case, we're going to search for a restaurant poster with QR. Type in those keywords and hit enter. You'll be amazed by the array of professionally designed templates tailored to your specific needs. Once your search results appear, take a moment to browse through the selection. Click on a template that appeals to you for a closer look. A preview window will pop up on your screen showing the details of your chosen design. If you're satisfied with what you see, locate and click the Customize this template button. This will allow you to make the template uniquely yours. On the customization page, focus your attention on the left side menu panel. Click on Apps to open up a variety of features you can integrate into your design. Here, you want to search for QR code. This will give you access to several QR code generators. After searching, you'll see different apps available. Choose the one that best suits your needs, or feel free to explore and understand what each app offers. Upon selection, you'll need to type in the link you want to embed in your QR code. Think of the URL as the destination where the QR code will lead your user. Now, to make your QR code fit perfectly with your design, you can customize the foreground and background colors. By adjusting these, you can ensure that your QR code not only functions well, but also aligns with the aesthetic of your overall design. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click Generate Code. This action creates the QR code, which can now be added to your project. You can adjust its size and reposition it on your design to achieve the perfect look and functionality. And there you have it. A fully customized functional QR code made in Canva, ready to enhance your designs and make information sharing more efficient. By following these steps, you're not only adopting a helpful tool, but also broadening your design horizons. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!